I don't even know how I find myself in these situations. It's like 11:30 at night. I just told my wife I was coming down here to grab something and coming back upstairs, and I found the beat that quick. So, I deal with these haters accordingly. Reporting me, they recording me. Nah, that ain't it. I was in the, they trying to pull my car. I was going in with the, no, that ain't it either. Pull up on the, I'm popping the driver to stop. I think I'm just tired. I'm gonna work on this tomorrow. I tell her just be cool and ride the waves. She keep telling me about my ways. I gotta go to an appointment, doctor's appointment. The goal today is to make it back home and get a song done. Sometimes, like Drake said, the magic don't happen all the time. So last night was one of them times. I was tired. So hopefully I can get in the studio today, make some music, and yeah. All right. So let's see if we can make a song today. Yeah, let's see what we can come up with. I already got my beat right here. So. Yeah. I'm not the same. Those snakes came quick when it burning. I got it. Yo. I'm not the same. Them snakes showed up quick when the garden came. Protect my thoughts, gotta guard my brain. Quick when the garden came. Yo. I'm not the same. Them snakes showed up quick when the garden came. Protect my thoughts, gotta guard my brain. Cause the streets will make you go insane. Protect my thoughts, gotta guard my brain. Because the streets will make you go insane. It's no one left but myself, ain't nobody else. It's no one left, I ain't got no help. Did I do it? If you made it this far in the video, please make sure you go get my vocal preset, volume 1 and volume 2, the easy, clean vocal presets. The link is in the description. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all a tip real quick. If you recording and you don't know how to, like, what's the next line, like you're stuck or whatever, use the alphabet. So like if your last line is like, you have to excuse my throat too. I have a sore throat. If your last line was car, right? And you don't know nothing else that's gonna rhyme with it, use the alphabet. Go car. Okay, the word is car. So you could go A, B, bar, C, car, D, dar, whatever. Like just use the alphabet or whatever and then compose your next line off of that. I told them boys to pull up like they ain't got no belt. Nice. Nice, Ron. You're getting it, dude. It's no one left, I ain't got no help. I told them boys to pull up like they ain't got no belt. Pull up like they ain't got no belt. Them boys say they want beef like a cheddar melt. I used to work at Arby's. Yeah. Wasn't a cool time. You gotta do what you gotta do. Like stay in school if you ain't got a clue. The move, you gotta do what you gotta do. Taught us in school how to follow rules. They wasn't followed, we ain't had a clue. I don't know what direction I'm going with this song. I just feel like, you know how sometimes you just gotta constantly create. You gotta constantly, like Jay-Z said, it's like mind exercise, brain exercise. Like I don't even foresee me putting this song out. I don't think it's trash, at least not yet. But I do these songs and stuff randomly just because it just keep your mind sharp, elevated. So it's a lot of songs that I just come here, record, and I don't even put them out. I just want to keep my mind active. You know, your mind is like a car. So if you're not using it and it's just sitting for a long time, it's kind of hard to get started back up. And that's when a lot of people start to deal with writer's block. when they're not consistent. So I try to come and like just lay down, even if it's a verse. I want to make a song today. I don't know how much time I got. Yeah, I want to make a song today, but even if I could get a good verse in and scrap the whole song, that to me is an accomplishment, because I just don't like my brain not being worked when it comes to music, and that's why I usually don't have a hard time creating music. So for you artists out there who always faced with writer's block, ask yourself, how consistent are you with making music? So you got to take those kind of things into consideration. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, because again, I just got this beat off YouTube. Normally I don't get beats off of YouTube unless I really like it, and then I contact that producer, and I pay for it, which is another lesson. Please make sure, if y'all getting beats off of YouTube, usually in the link they got a description where you can purchase the beat or lease it, and that way you can put it on all platforms without getting flagged. And it's only right, pay the producer. So I always pay the producer. I didn't pay for this beat because I don't plan on putting this song out. This is just for mind exercises. I mean, but hold on, I take that back. Unless I finish this song and I put it together and I really, really like it, then I'm going to contact this producer. So, but as of right now, I mean, I don't even have no direction. I'm just trying to get some bars off. You got a clue. If you a winner, then you never lose. I'm only speaking truth. You know what? I should if I add a double on this right now. Matter of fact, I'm going to add a double on this before I finish this video. So I'm going to add a double real quick. See if it sounds better. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Here we go. I'm not the same. Them snakes showed up quick when the garden came. Protect my thoughts, gotta guard my brain, because the streets will make you go insane. I had to make a name for myself, ain't nobody else. What do y'all think? Should I finish this song or should I just scrap it? So leave in the comments if I should finish this song or if I should just scratch it. All right? Let me know what y'all think. Left, I ain't got no help. I told them boys to pull up like they ain't got no belt. And now they say they want beef like a cheddar melt.